Hey guys, this is Rick from EZ Blade Shaving Products. Today we'll be doing a skin fade with a comb over and a hard part. At the end we'll be using EZ Blade Classic Pomade to style the client's hair. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.
Before you start your fade, remove all bulk by using the 1.5 guard open, making sure you have a clean canvas. Start your fade by closing your clipper fully, making sure you go no further than midway up the client's head. Make sure you clean all hair underneath the line as well as behind the ear. With no guard, open up your clipper and create your second guideline. Slowly start opening up your clipper to take out our first guideline. By using the corners of your clipper, it gives the fade more of a blurry effect, and it always turns out a little bit better. To take out our final guideline, let's put the number 1 guard on and slowly open it as we work our way up the head. For best results, go across the head and up the head using various motions to take out the line, as hair grows different in different spots of the head. Once all hair is moved out of the way, start creating your lineup. Make sure you always start from the middle and work your way to the outsides. The lineup will always make your blend stand out even more. Here we will be using the grab and pull technique to take off approximately 1.5 to 2 inches off the client's hair. Start by the front of the head, move your way up, then work your way to the sides. To ensure that the hair is all an equal length, make sure you always go back and cross-check your scissor work, eliminating all peaks. By using the thinning shears in this way, it will debulk the hair as well as texturize it. This step not only makes the hair feel better, but also will make it look better. To make your hard part look even better, comb out just a little bit of the excess hair around the hard part and cut it out. We will now be using the EZ Blade Pomade. Apply roughly a dime-sized amount into your hand, then apply it thoroughly throughout the client's hair. A little trick to styling your client's hair is to take a long clipper guard and run it a few times through the hair. This gives a nice, even, texturized look. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on how to do a comb over with a hard part. I hope it was helpful. Good luck.